Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe and also turn on the bell notification to be notified anytime I post a new video. Guys, I forget to tell you guys to subscribe in the middle of my lesson because I get carried away teaching. Please, I get carried away teaching because most YouTubers, they say, these big YouTubers, they say subscribe, but me, once I start teaching, I can't say subscribe in the middle of my class because I get carried away. Please subscribe to my channel. And of course, enjoy the video of today. Guys, in today's lesson, the last video we did was Igbo phrase, a word, echo. And today, the phrase we're learning today is Elekere, clock. Elekere, clock. That clock that is hanging in your house. That clock that you're using to tell the time. What is the time today? What is the time tomorrow? Today, we are learning Elekere. And Elekere is clock in Igbo language. Elekere. Elekere. Elekere, elekere, elekere. Elekere is clock. And now the sentences you can make using elekere is or are. Please make sure to repeat as I say, because when you repeat as I say, it helps you to learn Igbo faster. Synchronize with me just the same way you synchronize when you're doing TikTok video. Synchronize with me, okay? Elekere akpasuola m iwe. 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 This clock has annoyed me. You know that time you're very angry, you want to check the time, and next thing the clock is bad. You're like, elekere akpasuola m iwe. Elekere akpasuola m iwe. Elekere akpasuola m iwe. You know, that kind of scenario. You can use it there as well. Iru elekere ndị a bụ nke ndị Igbo ochie. Ihu elekere ndị a bụ nke ndị Igbo ochie. Ihu elekere ndị a bụ nke ndị Igbo ochie. Ihu elekere ndị a bụ nke ndị Igbo ochie. Ihu elekere ndị a bụ nke ndị Igbo ochie. Ihu elekere ndị a bụ nke ndị Igbo ochie. Ihu elekere ndị a bụ nke ndị Igbo ochie. Ihu elekere ndị a bụ nke ndị Igbo ochie. Ihu elekere ndị a bụ nke ndị Igbo ochie. These clocks are for the olden days. These clocks are that of the olden days. These clocks are that of the forefathers, our forefathers, if they ever used to clock that time. Ihu elekere ndị a bụ nke ndị Igbo ochie. Nke a bụ otu ime elekere na-adị. 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 Nke a bụ otu n'ime elekere na-adị. Nke a bụ otu ime elekere na-adị. Nke a bụ otu ime elekere na-adị. This is how the inside of the clock looks. This is how the inside of the clock looks. Nke a bụ elekere Big Ben. 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 This is the Big Ben clock. This is the Big Ben clock. Elekere ndị a emebiela. 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 These clocks have spoiled. These clocks have spoiled. They are spoiled. They are bad. They are damaged. Ego ole ka igoro elekere ndị a? Ego ole ka igoro elekere ndị a? Ego ole ka igoro elekere ndị a? How much did you buy these clocks? How much did you buy these clocks? So guys, thank you for watching to the end of this video. Like I said, today's word or phrase is elekere. Please watch this video, save in your watch later, repeat the word or the phrase of the day, and also learn the sentences that follows them. That will help you to also be mindful and also repeat and also learn Igbo fast as well. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Please, I will enjoy to see your comments down in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up if I hadn't yet given it, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.